Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got another fidget cube. I know you saw the last one, and well, here's the last one right here. I bought another one. This one's a bit better. We'll have a look at it now. So obviously, it's a not nice, nicer packaging. We've got click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. It's from Highline. There we are. Work Class Home. And we're going to open it up and take a look. Wow, that is really, really nice. Well, lot better packaging than the last one. Oh wow. Wow, this is really, really nice. Let's put that to the side there. Put this to the side. Well, you got the little signature. It's actually on the box there, you can see. And the first thing I notice is obviously the spinner is so much smoother. Like this one you can really hear. You can hear it like clunks around and that. And this one, literally nothing. And also this here is way improved. It's super responsive. Like this one, really horrible. It gets stuck. This one really doesn't get stuck. It's really nice to like play around with. Well, obviously they're the same size and diameter. And this is just really nice to play around with. And it comes out like this one. This one's a bit more reachable, you can like really get in there. And this one is kind of like hard to get out. Next up is the gears. The ball sticks out a little bit more here. Like this one sticks out a tiny bit more. But this one, it spins around anyway. This one is really stiff, but if you push it in, it only spins if you push it in. Just kind of a bummer, like it's a bit more effort. And the gears, they feel really nice. Like these just click around, they don't really like do anything. These has got like the kind of like lock in. You have to like push it over. Yeah, that feels really nice. Well, next we got the buttons. These ones, these two are the silent ones. Like this one here, where's the, yeah, there's the buttons, they aren't very silent. Here we are. Like this one gets stuck anyway. Yeah, you can still hear them. But these feel way smoother. And it turns out I was pushing the wrong buttons. Like these ones, you can hear the difference. This one sounds more polite. I don't know why I just said that, but it sounds nicer. The fun thing is like, oh, it's got lots of mud in there. There you go. You can see the signature there. But this one feels way smoother than the other one. This one's not very nice to touch. The switch, obviously feels a little bit better and is a bit bigger. It's a bit more tactile. This spins around. I've already said about this. What else have I not covered? I think that's everything. Let's have a look. So here's the box. Here's out of the box. So it's Work Class Home. Don't know if I got this upside down. I haven't looked at the video yet. So it's got click. This here. Sorry guys. Spin. This one's way more tactile. Like I said in the last video, this here wasn't very tactile. This is nice. You can spin it around a lot more. The flip feels way better. it's obviously going to piss other people off. You know, it's quite loud. This one isn't very loud. This one, I mean, there's kind of a difference. Like, yeah. Next we got Glide. This is this one. This I'm really, really impressed with. Like, this one is really, really horrible. Like, you can see the difference. Oh, I'm literally showing the wrong thing. You can see the difference. This one pokes up more than this one. This one's really, really nice to, like, play around with. Yeah, it's really nice. I like that. What else now? The roll, these little gears here. These feel really, really nice to play with. And I said in the last one that you can see the cut marks on it. The cut marks are really, really faint. I can barely see them. And oh, what else? And the breathe. The breathe is the ball, I believe. No, the breathe is this. It doesn't actually feature the ball on this. Just the little bearing. I would rather play with this one rather than this one, because like this one feels way more loose. This one's kind of stiff. But overall, the wrap is really, really nice. Like, this one is nice, but this one is really, really nice. It also came in skeletons and the camo, but all in blue. Yeah, so I really, really like this. I definitely prefer this one rather than this one. And I hope you see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.